A tragic incident occurred last night in Four Paths, Clarendon, where 8 people lost their lives during a party on Cherry Tree Lane. Reports about the event have been conflicting, with some sources claiming it was a bingo party, while others suggest it was a birthday celebration. Regardless of the occasion, the violence has shocked the community. This heartbreaking event has sparked discussions among Jamaicans, revealing a troubling double standard. In Jamaica, there is a saying, "Paña machete, chop two-side," referring to those who show inconsistency or hypocrisy in their actions. This expression is fitting as some Jamaicans who once supported the release of hardened, convicted criminals, especially if they were famous, are now condemning the attackers, calling them barbaric. The inconsistency in public opinion raises concerns about how fame can influence the way people view crime and justice. This tragedy in Four Paths serves as a grim reminder that violence affects everyone and the response should be consistent, regardless of who is involved.